In order to spread the glue, we need a bottle of platform glue and a piece of sponge. Open the bottle and fill the lid with glue. We can make the glue a full lid or half a lid. It depends on how big the area that we want to spread. Here we make the glue a full lid, because we want to spread the entire area this time. Pour the glue from the top to the bottom. Spread the glue to the left edge and to the right edge. Spread the glue all over the platform glass, however, don't spread it on the same position repeatedly. Wash the sponge in the water after the glue spreading, so we can use this sponge for many times.